To create an API key in Crypto.com, start by logging into your Crypto.com account and navigating to the account settings. Click on the API section, where you will find the option to create a new API key. Before proceeding, ensure you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, as this is a requirement for creating an API key. If you have not already done so, set up two-factor authentication by going to the security settings and following the prompts. Once two-factor authentication is enabled, return to the API section and click on Create API Key. You will be prompted to enter a label for your API key, which can be used to identify the key and its purpose. Enter a descriptive label and click on Create API Key. A pop-up will appear with your new API key and API secret. It is essential to copy and securely store both the API key and API secret, as you will not be able to access them again after closing the pop-up. After creating your API key, you will need to configure the permissions for the key. Crypto.com provides various permission options, including read-only and trade permissions. Select the permissions that align with your needs and click on Save. It is crucial to handle your API key and secret securely, as they grant access to your Crypto.com account. Never share your API key or secret with anyone, and store them in a secure location, such as an encrypted file or a password manager. By following these steps, you can create an API key in Crypto.com and start using it to interact with the Crypto.com API. Remember to always prioritize security when working with API keys and to use them responsibly.